morning, everyone. So how are you today? I'm okay, thank you. Today's speech is called We Have No Control. We have no control. So here we are. We are standing here together at Otamai on a Wednesday morning. Did you choose to be here? Maybe no. Did you choose that you must wake up and come to school today? Maybe no. It seems that there are many things about our lives every day that we cannot control. We cannot control the weather. Some days it will rain. Some days it will be nice. Some days it will be windy or cold, too hot. We cannot control the weather. We cannot control our parents. They tell you what to do every day. They tell you to study more. They tell you to stop watching TV and stop playing games. They tell you to do your homework, study hard, and go to school. We cannot control our parents. We cannot control our teachers. They talk for a long time in class. They give you homework. They talk to you for a long time about everything you must change. We cannot control our teachers. We cannot control our friends. Sometimes we have a good time together. We can laugh and enjoy talking and do our club activities together. Sometimes they are not so happy. Sometimes they're angry with us. And sometimes we have trouble and miscommunication with our friends. We cannot control our friends. There are a lot of things that we cannot control. We cannot control how tall we are. We cannot control what countries we are born in. We cannot control where we live. We cannot control our environments. We cannot control people around us. Cars or buses or bicycles on the roads we see every day. We cannot control our health so much. Most of the world cannot be controlled by us. That is a very sad and shocking understanding. We cannot control almost everything about our lives every day. Once we understand this idea, maybe we start to feel very nervous and think the world is full of danger. But there is something very important we can control a little. We can control ourselves, but we cannot control ourselves completely. For example, we cannot control or change our height or home countries or that kind of thing. But there are things we can control. We can control how we act and how we react. We can control ourselves by choosing to do the right thing. We can choose to study hard. We can choose to help our friends. We can choose to be kind. We can choose to stay away from trouble and to help people who need us. We can also control how we react to bad situations. We can control how we react to angry people and how we react to trouble. So please try to accept the things you cannot change and to think carefully about what we can control and how we can make good choices. We are not alone in a world we cannot change, but rather we are together if we can choose to cooperate, to support, and help each other. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you.